9 reasons why the right amount of coffee is good for you. Number 1. You could live longer. Number 2. Your body may process glucose or sugar better. Number 3. You are less likely to develop heart failure. Number 4. You are less likely to develop Parkinson's disease. Number 5. Your liver will thank you. Number 6. Your DNA will be stronger. Number 7. Your odds of getting colon cancer will go way down. Number 8. You may decrease your risk of getting Alzheimer's disease. Number 9. You are not as likely to suffer a stroke. Thanks for watching. Never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.